Hey there, I was just playing in my garage and I thought this would make an interesting video. And my name is Jeff. It's nice to meet you. If you're new to this channel, there's lots of great content here, so enjoy. I want to talk about making money and having fun doing it. So when I talk about this, I'm not talking about big money. If you think this is big money, maybe it is, it's all relative. But it's not big money. I am manufacturing car parts in my garage and I'm making hundreds to thousands. Now, some people get lucky and flip cars or houses and make tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or millions with just very little work. So we're not on that scale, but the scale we are on is just something I have been doing for fun, and I just wanted to talk you through it because I thought maybe this would give some inspiration to some people watching this video. So I have been making various car parts for my various cars over the years. I have had many projects and will continue to. And I love cars, and this is my hobby. And so one of those things I began making years ago was these personal boxes for Hondas and Acuras. And I was just finishing this one up. And I've got several videos on this on my channel here. If you're interested, you can check it out. But I was just finishing this up. I actually had a CRX that I recently sold a few months ago. It looked pretty identical to this. It was a JDM right-hand drive Torino Red Pearl 91 SI. And I had that car, and I began learning about personal boxes, which a personal box was a JDM option where instead of an ashtray, they had this felt-lined box that was a sticker, had stickers on it, and could be used for your change or, who knows, a thumb drive, whatever you'd put in it. Back in the 90s, there were no thumb drives, but you could put all sorts of things in there. And if you look on eBay, you would find that these were ranging. I've seen them at $300 for kind of dirty ones. I've seen them at $600 for mint ones. So I got the idea, how hard would it be to recreate the personal box? And so I bought some felt, contacted a guy I knew that made labels and had these bubble gel stickers made. This is the Honda version. This is the Acura version. And I then did some very careful measuring, recreated this label as well myself using some computer files I was familiar with, and then began making templates. And the first test was my car, and I made a very nice replica personal box just for fun for my CRX. It looked sort of like this. I don't have any now because the car is sold. But I posted it online on the various CRX groups on Facebook and just said, hey, look what I made. And I had a ton of folks that said, wow, would you do that? Could you do that for me? So I thought, yeah, I could probably do that. So that was a few years ago. And since then, I have made well over 100 of these for people. And for me, it involved getting cores or having people send me their cores. And I just want to show you, just with a little creativity, kind of what's possible. So this was sort of my first run. I spent about $668 on the materials. And then I sold all these personal boxes. They were right around the $100 price point, give or take. I had a few other options, but we'll just kind of be generic here. And so my first run, my total profit, I made $4,000. That includes shipping and everything. And then my total profit minus the parts was $3,400. And at that point, I ran out of cores and materials, and it was time to call it quits. About a year or so later, I had interest again, so I started searching and spent another $982 on the materials. Had to buy a bunch of cores, get all the felt, the labels, etc. And then I began, and these are all my sales and customers for the second run. And on that run, I made $4,728.41, and then actually made a little more here. And my profit minus materials was right at $4,000, $3,900. So the total of all of that, if you go to the top of this spreadsheet I created, I profited $7,387.95. which is not a ton of money. It might be, again, it's all relative. It depends on what kind of money you have and make. But I'm not in any way saying that me sitting here in my garage making stickers and ashtrays is a huge endeavor. It's a lot of detail work to create this is a significant amount of precision work. There's a lot of cutting and precision and, cleaning and thinking. And so I'm not, again, in any way saying this is a great way to make money. It's not. You can make money way easier, way quicker doing other things. But for me, it's just a hobby. It's fun. So the point of this video is having fun in my garage, enhancing the Honda Acura community. In the last couple of years, just piddling in the evening after work, I have made $7,387. And I'm just selling the rest of my supplies. I actually have just a few more of these I'm about to make, and I'm going to completely be done with this just because I sold the car and I'm kind of done. But I have just a little bit left, so I'm going to be making just a few more of these. So that 7,300 will probably be about 7,700 by the time I'm done. The car, the CRX in question, cost me $7,000 back in the day, and I put about $1,700 of parts in it, and then a ton of labor, like 100 hours, which was free. But at the end of the day, if you think about it this way, if I spent $8,700 total on the car, again, not including all my labor, and then I made about, by the time I've sold all of these, $7,700. Basically, I got that car for about $1,000. So, or you could look at it this way. I spent the money on the car, I sold it, and I ended up having about $7,700 profit, free money for my labor, which is about what this cost. So you could look at it like me spending time doodling in my garage, making these, paid for this beautiful supercharged Cooper. There's lots of different ways to look at it. But again, the point of this video, I just, I felt like for me, I get a lot of joy. It's not about the money. I'm not doing this for money. It's just about the joy of helping the community and making some money on the side. And, I thought maybe just sharing this would inspire you if you have some creativity, if it's, art, music, writing, car parts, whatever it might be. Don't despise the day of small things. The Bible says that in the Old Testament. And I think that's true. We can start small with things, and they can become things really that are wonderful. And I never would have thought making these would pay for this car, but it did. So I hope that's encouraging for you to do something you love and have fun, and maybe you'll make a little money and be inspired today. Peace. God bless you.